Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the float assembly in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a socket wrench with a 7mm head, and a couple of small flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new float assembly. The float assembly prevents water from splashing out of the top vent, allowing only air to be vented out. If you notice water on the floor behind the washer, check if the float is jammed and replace it if needed. We need to remove the top panel in order to get it apart. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out two lower screws from the rear brackets, slide back and remove the top panel. So using the 7mm socket wrench, we're going to loosen up the hose clamp and pull the vent hose off the tub. Using the two small flat blade screwdrivers, pull the float assembly out of the vent opening. This is the old float assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to put a new float assembly. We're going to slide it into the opening in the center. And then we're going to install the vent hose back on. Okay. And now we're going to use a 7mm socket wrench to tighten the clamp. Install the top panel. Place it on the cabinet just about 1.5 inches away from the front. Slide it forward to lock the tabs. Secure the top panel with the two Phillips screws at the back. Turn the water on. Plug the washer back in and make sure there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.